like some tasty snacks? Ah! Oh my goodness. I will put your snacks up here. Here you go.
He wants more.
Yes, I know you've got a long neck. Here, go. Time for your friend. Oh my god, that's so gross.
He wants more.
Here, you feed them.
You feed him.
I want video of you feeding them too. There's another one. I'm gonna feed that one too. Here, put it in your hand and feed him. No, don't let him eat. He's gonna eat it all. Now to the little one. Watch out, here goes the big one. You have to be careful. You've had enough, big one. Should I try and let him eat it out of my hand?
Yeah, do it. Does it feel weird?
Say that. Here, little one. Oh, God. Hi, this little one. Hello, little one. Oh, God. Big one is scary. Oh,
Look at it.
reach in there.
He's ready for some more. Did he just burp?
Yeah. Here. Okay. Little one, look at. Move it over there.
Careful, he's gonna steal some out of your cup.
I know. He is not funny.
Wants more.
That little one doesn't get any because he's mean. You go breathe. He's breathing on me too. Andy, distract him. Here. Take a little and put it over there. For the big one. Give me your hand. Just dump it out on the railing.
His giraffe slobber all over it.
Go over there. Look what he's got. Oh, you gotta make him move.
Come here.
You gotta follow him. Oh, you gotta walk around.
Over here.
Yeah.
Over here. Oh, now he's going away.
Got some little ones? There you go. Oh, don't drop it on them. Just these two are nice. You could probably let them eat out of your hand. Oh, but you're thingy, baby. Oh, open up. There you go. These boys eat politely. Here. Here. Ah! Got me. He's totally dumb.
He knows there's more up there.
Here. Right here. So gross. Can I touch his head? I don't have any more feed, but I want to touch your head. I want to touch your head. Can I touch you? I don't have any more food. I want to touch your head. I touched his head. I touched his head. Want to touch your nose? You keep your tongue in there. Here.